Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Python or Node, VS Code, and a working microphone. This matters because library bindings depend on runtime. Open VS Code, create a project folder, and initialize with pip init or npm init. Do that now. Once done, install the speech package. Pip install speech recognition or npm install web speech cog. Make sure the integrated terminal uses your project's virtual environment or node environment, so imports resolve correctly. Now you import and configure. In Python, write import speech recognition as SR. In JavaScript, use navigator. Media devices. Get user media or a wrapper. Instantiate recognizer and specify microphone as the audio source. Set sample rate and timeout parameters to match your mic. If using cloud transcription, load API keys from environment variables, never hardcode them. Once configured, write a small capture loop that records a few seconds, then sends audio to the recognizer for local or remote processing. Execute your script inside VS Code and speak clearly. Observe console output for success or for detailed errors. If recognition fails, check microphone permissions, confirm the correct device index, and tweak sensitivity settings. Lower the energy threshold in noisy rooms. Make sure your virtual environment is active. If imports fail, reinstall the package into that env. One key troubleshooting tip: restart VS Code after changing permissions or drivers because the editor caches device access and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.